Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your sales tax return using an online system like IRIS. Understanding sales tax is crucial for any business selling goods or services. It involves collecting tax from customers and remitting it to the proper authorities. Filing accurately helps you stay compliant and avoid potential penalties. Utilizing an online platform like IRIS can significantly simplify this essential process, making it more efficient and less prone to errors. Before you even log into IRIS, thorough preparation is key. First, gather all your sales data, including total sales, taxable sales, and the exact amount of sales tax collected. Next, carefully calculate your total taxable sales for the specific reporting period. Finally, identify and document any deductions or exemptions your business is eligible for, ensuring all figures are accurate and ready for entry. Now, let's walk through the submission process on IRIS. Begin by logging into your secure IRIS account with your user ID and password. Once inside, you'll navigate to the Sales Tax Return section. Here, you will accurately enter your prepared sales data, including total sales, taxable sales, and any deductions. Take a moment to thoroughly review all the information for accuracy before clicking the final Submit button. After successfully submitting your sales tax return through IRIS, the next crucial step is to ensure your payment is made on time to avoid any late fees. Always maintain meticulous records of all your sales, tax collected, and filed returns for at least 7 years. Additionally, regularly check for updates on sales, tax rates, and regulations to ensure ongoing compliance and smooth future filings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.